everyone, this is Priyanka, your master teacher at QMath. Here at QMath, we follow active learning strategies where you learn by doing. So every student here get an opportunity to learn the why behind what in every concept. So do not take the hassle of mugging up the formulas and solving the questions. We teachers are always there for you to help you out in the right track. So do not hesitate. You can share your queries, your questions with us. So please drop a message in the comment section and we'll definitely get back to you. So I welcome you all to our channel based on NCERT Class 9 Maths. Here we'll be posting concept related videos and questions based on its application. So if you like our videos, click on the like button and like our channel and also share it with your friends. Do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for the latest updates. So, today, before marching ahead with the session, let me take you through an amazing news. QMath has introduced TUKU, the Ultimate QMath Olympiad. This is the India's largest math Olympiad exam conducted online in association with the Times of India. This is a pan-India competition for students from grade 1 to 10 and they are participating from more than 300 schools across the country. So we at QMAR encourage our students to go a step further from the regular classroom culture and challenge themselves by participating in various Olympiad exams. So in this Olympiad exams, there are more than 2.5 lakh students participating from more than 300 schools. So do not lose this opportunity. Come on, right away, go ahead and register for this Olympiad exam. So here you'll be getting an amazing opportunity to win cash prize up to 50 lakhs along with scholarship, certification and recognition. And that's not all, guys. Parents also will be getting an opportunity to win the certification of recognition for encouraging their child to assess their math skills and ability. Also, by registering for this Olympiad exam, you get access to the International Math Olympiad preparatory courses designed by the graduates of IIT and Cambridge University. So, also you get an opportunity to analyze your preparation. So the test takers will get a detailed performance report with the areas of improvement to be worked upon. So, why to worry? Go ahead and register right away. You can find the link in the description box and click on the link to register for TUKU. Along with this, if you really like the sessions and wanted such amazing one-to-one sessions with our QMAT certified expert, go ahead and find the description box and you can register right away. So with this, let's go ahead with our session. So today we'll be dealing with lines and angles, and here we'll learn about the angle sum property and the exterior angle of a triangle. So let's get started. So here we are going to learn if we are going to extend one side of a triangle, the angle so formed or the exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So let me take this triangle P, Q and R and this is extended to M. Okay. And now angle 4 is your exterior angle and we'll have to prove that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles, and this is equal to angle 2 plus angle 1, right? So this is what we have to prove. So how can we do this proof, guys? Yes. So what we are going to do here, we will first see, if I look at this figure, I can see that angle 3 and angle 4. So they are which type of angles? How can you relate them? They are forming linear pairs. Yes, we have already completed the in-depth concept on linear pairs. Now, see, I can write here angle 3 plus angle 4. They are forming linear pairs. So they add up to 180 degrees. Let me keep this as equation 1. So I can write this, these are linear pairs. Okay. Yes. Now what I can see here, From angle sum property, we have learned sum of the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So I can write here angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals to 180 degrees, and this forms equation 2, and I can write the reason here, angle sum property. Yes, and now since we have two equations here, and what we observe, both of them are equal to 180 degrees. So if I say equating 1 and 2, so what I can get, I can say that angle 3 plus angle 4 equals to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. Yes, this is super amazing. So now what I'll do is, since I have angle 3 on both the sides, let me bring this angle in the LHS to the RHS. Okay, so I can write here angle 4 equals to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, and the other angle 3 on the LHS, let me write it in red color, and this is minus angle 3. Yes, hope everyone is clear. Now I can see here that there is plus angle 3 and minus angle 3, so definitely they will cancel each other, and I can write here angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, and that's all. That's all we wanted to prove, that the exterior angle of a triangle equals to sum of opposite interior angles. Isn't this interesting? Super easy. So I can write here hence proved. Yes. So guys, after this, we are going to understand this much better by solving a problem as we follow learning by doing. So let's do a problem based on this. So here is a question, as you can see. So there are two triangles formed, and we are going to find the value of x. So how we are going to solve this problem? Let us consider angle ABC. Here the two angles are given. One is 30 degree, other is 40 degrees. And if I try implementing angle sum property, let me consider this angle. Yes, let me consider this angle as angle Y. Okay. So what I can write, implementing angle sum property, as I know that sum of interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degree. Yes, I can say that angle 30 degrees plus 40 degrees plus y equals to 180 degree. Yes, and then I can also say here 30 plus 40, which is 70 degrees, plus y equals to 180 degrees. Yeah. So, and to find the value of y, so y will be equal to 180 degrees minus 70 degrees. So this is how much? This is 110 degrees. Yes, so guys, we have found the value of y implementing angle sum property, right? Now what we are going to do is, we are going to find the measure of this angle. And this is very simple. You can see this angle, if I consider this angle ECD, this is nothing but, this is forming linear pair with angle y. So I can say that y plus angle ECD equals to 180 degree. Yes, and I know that y is 110, so I can write 110 degrees plus angle ECD equals to 180 degrees. Yes, now angle ECD is equal to 180 minus 110, and this is equal to 70 degrees. Yes, guys. So with this, I can know that this is 70. Also, you observe a thing here. Here also we have proved the exterior angle property. You can see this is the angle formed. This is the exterior angle to the triangle ABC. And you can see this angle is sum of 30 plus 40. So here also we can directly find the measure of this angle adding 30 plus 40. So I just wanted for you to understand this better. So we have done it again for you guys. Now we can directly implement the exterior angle property. So you can see in this triangle ECD, now this is 70 degrees, angle D is 50 degrees, and we are trying to find the value of x, and x is the exterior angle to ECD. Yes, so I can write, applying exterior angle property, x equals to 70 plus 50. Yes, implementing exterior angle property. Yes, hope everyone is clear. This was a very good revision of all the properties that we have learned so far. Linear pairs, angle sum property, and exterior angle property. So I can say this is equal to 120. So the measure of x is 120 degrees. So I can write a 120 degrees here. Yes, this is very easy. Guys, we have completed the concept with this problem and this was quite amazing. Hope you liked this video. That's all for today. So you can go ahead and click on the like button so that you like our videos and subscribe to our channel for such amazing videos coming up. Also, do not forget to go ahead and register for Tuko. You get an amazing opportunity to win cash prize up to 50 lakhs along with scholarship and certification. And if you want to have such amazing session one-on-one with our QMAT certified teachers, go ahead and register for the same. You'll find all these links in the description box and you can register free of cost. So hurry up guys, go ahead. So in the next session, we'll come with some new concepts. Till then, see you. Bye-bye.